How to use LifeFX Living Water Droplets. First up, we'll demonstrate gravity-fed filters, then containers with taps at the bottom. You can use any gravity-fed filter as long as it's glass, ceramic, or plastic. We don't recommend using LifeFX with stainless steel. If you're in a pinch, a coffee filter or triple-layered muslin cloth can also work. Add 1 to 5 ml of LifeFX Living Water Droplets per liter of water to your glass container. Mix with your chosen water. Let water sit between 24 to 48 hours with the lid off the container if it's tap water so chlorine can off-gas. Dissolved solids, otherwise known as toxins, that were in the water will coagulate and flocculate out of the water and land at the bottom of the water vessel in a sediment. The sediment, while not appetizing, is inert. Gently pick up the glass vessel and pour your water through the filter, stopping just before you get to the heavy sediment if you can. This will keep your filter cleaner. If the sediment does run through, you'll just want to wipe your filter clean every couple of pours. You can use a triple-folded muslin cloth to separate the rest of the sediment, then pour the cleaner water through the filter. Are you looking for a simpler process? In controlled laboratory settings, fluoride, hexavalent chromium, and chloramines were reduced without the use of filtration. Simply add 1 to 5 ml of LifeFX per liter of water, mix with water, and let sit uncovered for 24 to 48 hours. Sediment will sit below the tap. Draw water off the top. Thank you for choosing LifeFX Living Water Droplets. Enjoy the power of your water.